and I see that we are dropping below the Bollinger midline. See the price failed to break the resistance above, and Aroon convergence signals more to the downside. So very clear, the only option here is a put option. Okay, I'm gonna start with $150 and let me take another look. Okay, let's do it. I am opening a put option here. You see this bearish candle close, plus Aroon is signaling for the downside, so it's time to go down and it's time to get that drop. Let the candles turn red, and while they do it, I'm just going to remind you that if you are looking for the best pro trading tips, unique insights, and powerful strategies to get your trading game to the next level, I've got you covered in my Telegram channel. The link is below this video in the first pinned comment. So just scroll down there, take a look, click the link, and never doubt your skills again. That easy. I'll see you there. And wow, look at that. $288 is my first win, and it feels amazing. Okay, that should work. I'm gonna go for $200 for this next bid. And well, globally, Aroon signals down and the price is moving upward and holding mostly above the Bollinger. Well, globally, Aroon signals growth and the price moving upward and holding mostly above the Bollinger midline. So that's gonna be loud and clear. Call option. Let's go all the way up. Guys, I was in a store a couple days ago and I heard the song for a million times before, but every time I hear it, it gets more and more freaking annoying. And that song is, I believe, 2023. It's Miley Cyrus, and it's the song that goes, I can buy myself flowers. Abilities are awful. Ooh, $384, and that is simply amazing. Okay, well done. And I'm gonna double the bid for $100 for this next one. Let's see. So after a big bearish candle, accumulation, we see the continuation lower. And Aroon confirms the downtrend is happening. So that's going to be a put option. Let's go all the way down and let's get these red candles really nice and big. Ta-da-da. So that song, guys, that freaking song, every time I hear it, it's like my ears are bleeding. It's terrible. It's so bad. And I don't care about how many nominations it's got. It's just terrible, and it's literally still like 2 years later, it's everywhere. And I freaking hate this song. Honestly, I wish I could never hear it again in my life, but we live in a society. So, ooh, $768. Isn't that amazing? Beautiful. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Just keeps getting better and better. The previous one had the sideways consolidation, so let's try to see if this one will be a better choice. I think it would be. Okay, let's play 750. Yes, the bids are getting serious, and I see that we are dropping below the Bollinger midline. See the price failed to break the resistance above, and Aroon convergence signals more to the downside. So very clear, the only option here is a put option. Let's do it and let's go for it, darlings. And if you really want to improve your trading skills, and learn profitable strategies, one thing you gotta do is to join my Telegram channel. The link is in the first pinned comment below this video. Just scroll down and check it out, because I promise you, you will never ever regret that one magic click. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. And my results speak for itself. $1,440. Okay, next pair. Okay, time to get the bid higher. $1,100. Let's do it. I see the continuing decline along the lower Bollinger Band here, and Aroon steadily points down. So what do we do? Yes, we are going for short. Put option, let's get that drop happening. Guys, and if you can drop me a line in the comments and tell me which is the song that you hate the most, I really wanna hear it. I wanna know that I'm not the only one, feeling so many emotions over a song, but I don't think I'm alone in this boat. So please share your opinions with me, because it really matters. That flowers, whatever, drives me crazy. And there are not that many things in life that drive me crazy, but that freaking song definitely does. Oh my God. $2,112. Yes! Yes. Dun. And I'm gonna go all in. $2,000 for my next bid. And I see that the price held below the Bollinger midline rejected from the higher levels. I am expecting further decline, and Aroon also signals a short. So, time to get that drop, darlings. Let's go down. Oh my goodness. $3,700. Guys, I had $215 in my account when I started this session, and I ended up with $4,307. You see the difference? Can you feel the difference? Because I most certainly can. Darlings, and if you want to grow your trading account and you enjoy the educational approach to strategy, I will be more than happy to welcome you in my Telegram channel. The link is right below this video, so you know what to do. The first pinned comment right there, and I will see you in my fantastic Telegram channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me on my journey. I love you all, and I hope to see you very, very soon.